If you are using the 3D Touch, aka clone, you will eventually face damaged needle. Such a damaged needle makes 3D Touch imprecise, so you wanna replace the 3D Touch. But instead of replacing the whole probe, you can actually replace only the needle. To do it, you obviously need the needle, but make sure you ordered it from the same seller of your 3D Touch probe, because the needles are not compatible for each other. So I got the needle here. To extract the damaged needle, I unscrewed the black thingy at the top and I pushed out the needle. Next, I put the new needle in and screwed all again. And that's it. I successfully replaced the 3D Touch needle.